Australia.
Hi, y'all.
They do breed here. I can take you closer to some of those swans over there.
When was the last time they had their babies?
There's the black
They
one.
just had babies about 3 weeks ago.
Yeah?
I like to call them swan teenagers.
Oh,
They
look.
have the fluffy, really awkward faces.
Look at
We
that.
have swans at home, and I named the baby Jennifer. They're from the east side.
So you can see over there.
I thought you called them
This is one of our golf courses.
No.
We're taking movies.
Those are the geese.
Oh, look
So
at these
those
black
are some
ones.
swans mixed in with the ducks. We do have migratory birds.
You take a-
a bird
This is
sanctuary
movie.
here.
Oh,
So we have all of the birds
Just hold
inside.
it. Don't.
We have
Okay.
these birds and we have the flamingos
This
up
movie.
front.
Flamingo there too.
See those.
You have a flamingo? I didn't
The
see them in
flamingos are
front.
on the front of the
Oh, no, in front, lots of them.
Oh.
When we come in usually.
Now these are the timeshares. This is phase 1 of the villas, and behind it is phase 2. There's 600 units here, which all sold out. We decided to build phase 3, which is called Shadow Ridge. It's located about 10 minutes away on the
Yeah,
water.
we're there.
Okay, do you
Oh,
enjoy
did you
it?
go to
So we're
Shadow
in
Ridge?
phase 2.
We're in Shadow Ridge.
No,
No,
Shadow
phase
Ridge is
two.
another
We're
place.
in Jasmine Court, phase 2.
No.
Oh, you're in this
Silly.
one then.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you're at the Shadow Ridge.
Shadow Ridge is on
Is
So
on-
right
on
is our
Monterey,
point
all the way
with
up
cherry
Monterey.
treetops. Here we are known for our private functions, such as dinners and weddings.
Where?
The weddings, we typically bring the bride by boat, and it's a nice sunset here with the background.
Oh, wow.
Going in front of
Okay.
it.
We go onto those bridges to go back?
And you said I was dropping you off.
Yes.
There's some more Canadian.
Is that a good
Here's the duck.
Oh.
For those that do not want to.
Lamb livers.
Land
Well, also Ronnie likes to eat livers.
What kind of, do they have fish in here?
We do. So we're on an 18-acre
Not liver.
man-made lake.
Oh, okay.
It goes from 2 feet to 20 feet deep. And there's 4 different types of fish in here. There's Japanese koi, carp, catfish, and bass.
Where is it 20 feet deep?
Typically in the middle part.
What middle part? Is it like here?
This one and then the one on the other side.
Oh, okay.
So fisherman's landing is just up here on the
Here's
right.
Ronnie's.
Over those.
I'm taking a video too. Ronnie's
So if you
taking
want to jump
video.
out, you can. But
Sure.
I'll take you around.
I
and
need a
dock
couple
you.
more drinks before that.
We'll
Take
go
a
for
swing,
big
huh?
swim before I dock you off.
one here. Let
Let me see.
Feet up, have one foot resting and the other one paddling. Wow. Now ahead with the blue umbrellas is our spa. I highly recommend.
I went there with a girlfriend. We went, 4 girlfriends of mine.
It's newly renovated now. We have a black pool and salt water, organic bistro, the health center. Down
I loved it. It was great. And then we laid out by the pool. And then we went back in.
Sounds like a great day.
It was an awesome day.
These are our privately owned homes, the privately owned estates. There's 33 here. And when they first built, they sold the land plot, which is half an acre, for $1.5 to $2 million. And then you had to build the house on top of that. Now, the good thing about it is you get the full amenities, so you have housekeeping and room service. The slightly bad thing is it's pretty expensive.
Yeah. I like that daily room service.
Yeah. And housekeeping.
At your own house, your own private residence?
Most of them are used as vacation homes. So the owners come and go as they please.
And do they get food service there?
Room service, housekeeping.
Anybody famous over there?
I was just told today that apparently Justin Timberlake went to the house here during music festival.
iHeartRadio?
Chelsea.
Oh.
I wasn't in the country, so I don't know.
You weren't in the country?
I've just moved back from New Zealand, so.
Oh.
Poor you.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
On the way to New Zealand,
Sorry
huh?
about the
New Zealand is
Marriott
so awesome. I mean, I only heard because I have a good friend who came from there.
All the
Yeah,
Kiwis.
upset.